Good morning, everyone. Today I'm just riding over to Sukhumvit Road, Pattaya, to check up on my Mercedes that's been with Netto at NT Auto Services for a few weeks now. I asked Netto to do major surgery on the car as I need to be doing a lot of traveling in Thailand in 2025. By the way, Jason, that some of you may know from Good Vibes Pattaya YouTube channel, referred me to Neto, and I've got to say I'm very, very grateful to Jason because the guy's done a fantastic job. Nothing's been an issue, and while he's Thai, his communication has been fantastic, especially via the Line app where he sends me daily messages. He sends me images, videos, pricing, suggestions on other work that needs to be carried out or might need to be carried out in the future. So I've been really happy. Anyway, I'm about to pull up and you'll see my car, and in the background you'll see he's working on a 1963 pink Mercedes, believe it or not. It's got a J1 engine in it, and at the moment I think there's an image there. You'll see the boys pulling out the transmission to replace the transmission. Anyway, highly recommend. I'll leave some details at the end of the video and enjoy. Cheers. It's pretty easy to find NT Auto Service. Sukhumvit Road, just where Second Road joins it, and he's about 50 metres down from a big Shell service station. So he's very easy to see on Sukhumvit Road. Okay, here's the old girl, the silver Mercedes that he's done a tremendous job on. And that's Neto standing underneath the pink Mercedes with his back to us. And just a lovely guy. So highly recommend hitting Netto online to start with, and get any card like that. Doesn't matter. It doesn't need to be a European card. Any card that you've got. For any work on all model cars, head to NT Auto Service. Add Netto on your Line app, 098 257 1099. Say you've been talking to Jez at LOS Thailand, and also highly recommended by Jason at Good Vibes Patio. Cheers.